Good evening. Today we are going to discuss about the various tools that are used for analyzing data and reporting under business intelligence. Exactly. Actually, this tools is very important nowadays. That makes the work of the business analyst in a most simple and simple way. So any data that can be let's feed it inside these tools, they give whatever the result we requires. So it becomes easy for the analyst to discuss and give proper decision making. It is actually we must be literate enough to unlock the power of data by using the proper query tools and the intelligent reporting solutions. So before going in depth into the tools that has been used here, we should know the mind map, the connections between the data collection. The data should be collected. Whatever actually the collection of data is very important. Okay, the whichever is relevant for to solve the particular problem only should be collected. The data should be collected and that should be transformed. That is, preparation of data must be done. Without proper preparing, we cannot enter into any modeling technique. So after that, we should use proper data modeling tools to convert the data as per the requirement of the end user. So here whatever the data that is being built, that should be visualized. The future should be taken into consideration before entering and giving into proper solution. So proper transformation engine should be selected. So nowadays you know that there are various tools available: Power BI, Python, and Excel. Excel is a very good tool. Excel is a very simple tool which can easily take the data and give the results whatever we need. So the data transformation technique is nowadays there are too many things. We must properly know to arrange in the proper rows and columns, and we must visualize what is the end result. Without visualizing, if you just feed in the data, you may not get the proper results. So it's a power of the modeling tool. Before entering into any scenario, we are supposed to understand what is the scenario. The modeling and visualization is the basic component in the Power BI. So there are various case studies that is nowadays it has been prevailing in the day-to-day use. If we enter into any retail stores, proper data must be imported, and that must be cleaned, that must be arranged, or that must be unwanted data which is not relevant for the current study should be taken out, and whichever the data which is required for the study alone must be considered, and proper analytic tools must be used. There are too many mathematical based tools are available in the market that should be used to analyze the data, and proper reporting tools are also available. So that must be educated by the people as and when it is needed. So any tools that is it will take if you prepare in manual way, it will take 3 to 15 days, and it also it will take hours to identify data. But by using this Power BI tools, within seconds or within hours, within few hours, the even large data can be extracted. So a very simple way, by using this design thinking to BI reporting, we are supposed to understand who is the end user. The user must be identified. For that, we should conduct proper interview with the stakeholders, whoever needs the data, and that must be defined. That must define the core challenges, and the data, proper data soils and reporting delays in inconsistent metrics or lack of visualization will fully spoil the data. So properly it should be tested, and proper feedback must be given. So proper brainstorming session should be conducted to identify which with the relevant stakeholders, whoever needs with them the proper relevant brainstorming should be conducted. So we should know to build the proper dashboard. Even uneducated can easily visualize what is the what is the purpose of the tool. So it means a lot for understanding so what is the problem, what is the situation, how it should be dealt with. So there are too many benefits of this BA query tools, proper accelerated, it makes the people to make better decision making, real-time insight, what is happening in the real-time scenario, it gives proper insight, proper collaborative data, which is good, which is bad, the proper collaboration also easily given. So based on all these information, you get a scalable solution. What solution is needed, that will be given. Next, it is advisable for me that today, whoever it is better people to go for whatever might be the field, the data is more important, and data must be analyzed and given to the end user in a proper tune. So that is more important. So this BA methodology helps to give us the tools, helps us to collect the data, visualize the data, analyze the data, and it also helps to report the data in a required format. So thank you. With this I conclude my topic.